This video explains how to use the oven at Primrose House. So it is a double oven. So you'll see the dials at the top. So here you can see this one corresponds to the temperature for the bottom oven, and this selects the mode. So you can turn on the light, that'll turn on the light, and then you can turn down here to select the fan, and then you turn on the temperature. So this is 50, 100, 150 Celsius. You can then see that this is illuminating for the bottom oven. This will go off when the temperature is reached, and I'll show you for the top oven. Just please ensure you turn everything off when you're finished. So for the top oven, we can turn this on here, and then we can select grill. This is double grill, single grill, heating from the bottom, heating from top and bottom. And you can see the light's on here, and when this goes off, it's reached temperature. To finish, make sure you turn this to the 12 o'clock position, and this is off. So that's how to use the electric oven. If you wish to set a timer, you can just push this here, and then you'll see that there's an alarm here. You just push this and select up and down whatever time you wish, and then it will beep at the end.